Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Connected Leadership, Lecture 9. Today we'll learn about influencing and stakeholder management. Understanding power dynamics and influence strategies, building strong relationships with stakeholders, negotiation and conflict resolution skills, advocating for your team, managing competing interests. Conclusion. Understanding power dynamics and influence strategies. Power dynamics are an inherent part of any social structure, whether it be within a company, community, or even a family. Understanding these dynamics and the various strategies that can be employed to navigate them is essential for success in any setting. Influence strategies can range from subtle tactics such as persuasion and flattery to more overt methods like coercion and manipulation. While some may view these tactics as unethical, they can be used ethically and effectively when employed with a clear understanding of power dynamics. Building strong relationships with stakeholders. Building strong relationships with stakeholders is crucial for any organization. By working together and fostering a sense of partnership, both parties can benefit in numerous ways. When stakeholders feel valued and heard, they are more likely to provide support and resources that can help the organization achieve its goals. Not only does building strong relationships with stakeholders lead to better outcomes, but it also creates a positive work environment. Collaboration and partnership can foster a sense of community and shared purpose, leading to increased motivation and job satisfaction. By investing time and effort into building these relationships, individuals and organizations can reap the rewards for years to come. Negotiation and conflict resolution skills. Effective negotiation and conflict resolution require a combination of communication, problem solving, and interpersonal skills. It's important to approach these situations with an open mind and a willingness to listen to all parties involved. Active listening is key to understanding the needs and concerns of each person, which can help identify common ground and potential solutions. Another important skill is the ability to manage emotions and remain calm under pressure. This can be achieved through techniques such as deep breathing, taking breaks, and reframing negative thoughts. By staying calm and focused, individuals can better navigate difficult conversations and find mutually beneficial outcomes. Advocating for your team. Advocating for your team is a crucial aspect of effective leadership. It means standing up for your team members, championing their ideas and contributions, and ensuring that their needs are met. When you advocate for your team, you create a culture of trust, respect, and collaboration that can drive success. There are many benefits to advocating for your team. For one, it fosters a sense of loyalty and commitment among team members, which can lead to increased productivity and better outcomes. Additionally, it helps to build a positive reputation for your team within the organization, which can lead to more opportunities and resources. Managing competing interests. Managing competing interests can be a complex and challenging task, especially in high-pressure environments where there are multiple stakeholders with different priorities and goals. It requires a careful balance of diplomacy, communication, and negotiation skills to ensure that everyone's needs are met without compromising the overall objectives. One effective strategy for managing competing interests is to identify common ground and shared interests among the stakeholders. By focusing on these areas of agreement, it is often possible to find win-win solutions that benefit everyone involved. Another key approach is to prioritize the most important goals and objectives, and then work collaboratively to find ways to achieve them while also addressing the concerns of all stakeholders. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have explored the concept of power dynamics and the various influence strategies that can be employed to navigate them. We have also discussed the importance of building strong relationships with stakeholders, the essential skills required for effective negotiation and conflict resolution, the benefits of advocating for your team, and the challenges of managing competing interests. By applying these insights in your personal and professional lives, you can become a more effective leader and achieve greater success. As you move forward, remember that leadership is not about domination or control, but rather about collaboration and partnership. By working together with others, you can achieve more than you ever could on your own. So take the time to build strong relationships, develop your negotiation and conflict resolution skills, advocate for your team, and manage competing interests with care and consideration. With these tools at your disposal, you can lead with confidence and make a positive impact in the world.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.